In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube videos in Webflow. Whether you're building a personal blog, launching a business site, or creating an engaging portfolio, integrating video content can really enhance the user experience. Let me take you through the process step by step. To start, you'll first need to press A on your keyboard. This is your shortcut to open the Add Elements panel in Webflow. Once you're there, your next move is to scroll down until you reach the Media section. This section is where you can find various media elements that Webflow offers. What we're looking for here is the YouTube element. Dragging and dropping the YouTube element onto your page is your next action. It's as simple as clicking, holding, and releasing it onto the desired area of your web page. Now, you'll notice it lands on your page quite swiftly, ready for you to add your content. But what next, you might ask? Well, the fun begins as you start by adding a link from a YouTube video into this element. This YouTube element has some special features compared to the regular video element you might have come across before. Once you've clicked on the YouTube element, you can access these additional settings via its configuration panel. This is where you can fine-tune your video settings to ensure a seamless fit for your web page and audience expectations. One of the standout abilities of this YouTube element is the option to define the Start At time. It's particularly useful if there's a specific point in the video you want to highlight without making viewers wait. Furthermore, you have the option to mute the audio, which might be crucial for delivering clearer messages or keeping your design unobtrusive when autoplaying videos. Speaking of autoplay, there's also a feature to make your video start playing automatically once the page is loaded. This could be useful in attracting attention immediately, especially on landing pages where every second counts. You're also provided with choices for showing or hiding the video player controls. Decide what's best for your users. Some scenarios may benefit from keeping the controls visible for a more interactive experience, while others shine with a clean, distraction-free display. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can add engaging YouTube content right within your Webflow project. It's an efficient way to enrich your site's appeal and deliver dynamic content to your audience. I hope this guide simplifies your experience with embedding YouTube videos in Webflow. Happy designing!